Here we have an integrated CarPlay system that we installed onto this Audi Q5. Now, what we've done is a module that's installed into the vehicle that still keeps the original screen and controls. So we're not replacing the screen, we're not replacing the control features. So the factory system, how the vehicle works, still remains the same, but you have the added feature of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And both ways of doing it is wireless as well, so you don't have to actually plug into any USB ports or anything like that to actually achieve it. So let me just show you. If you have a look here, this is the center console of this Audi Q5, and that's the normal radio channel. So if I just put the audio on, it's just on normal radio. Now, what I have to do is basically pull it onto auxiliary on the audio side of it as source. So if you have a look at the source, we go into external audio input. So we're not actually plugging anything into it, but we have to do that to get the audio part of the Apple CarPlay working. And now, what I'll do, I'll push and hold this back button here. So if you can see that, only for a few seconds, and then it will flick into the CarPlay, which is what it's done now. This hasn't got a touch screen, so you have to use the joystick that's below here to actually navigate around it. So if you have a look, I'm just going to scroll around. At the moment it's on Waze. If I flick onto that, it gives you partial menu. Go into there, it gives you all the menu that you'd associate with CarPlay system. And if I want to go Spotify, play music on that. Now the audio, this is basically the tune that's actually playing at the moment, and that's actually going through the vehicle sound system while having the source changed to auxiliary. So you also got Bluetooth hands-free, because you could make any calls. And just do that all through your CarPlay. Now the purpose for this, for the customer, especially for this customer, they wanted a newer mapping system on there. Because of the age of the vehicle, Audi cannot upgrade the mapping any further than already it has done. This way he has Google Maps and he has Waze, so in that respect he would always have the latest mapping all the time. And also he wants to start playing music via Spotify and what have you, and he's got full control over his Spotify without having to touch his phone or do anything like that, so he can change albums and stuff like that through the CarPlay system. So it really just modernises the actual entertainment system that's already installed in here without actually changing the entertainment system, if that makes any sense. So that's an integrated Apple CarPlay system installed on this Audi Q5.